ɛho nhwehwɛmu pinua ɛkɔ na Professor Sarpong Senior Research Fellow KSTU ɛwɔ ahoma no so na yɛnkɔtwetwe nkɔmmɔ nhwɛ sɛ den na ɛkɔ ɔmo nso yɛ nhwehwɛmu paa deɛ na wɔn ahunu. Prof, good morning.
Yeah, me just
Apo me yɛ
Ejana dom ye ho ye pa me gidi se onso mo ho ye.
Adom ne mpai boy ye ho ye pa. Me mo afishia panso.
Oh, I think comment to yeah. I said the level to be get the education community.
Sure.
Ya men kai na ya ho na fi eni afifa. E ma ye ni e fu na.
Ami. Asa one no wa chiri kakra ntia na wa ma no aben wa no yi amaye. Fedia ye pa. MPP nyame ya adom a memeneda. Wono mo kwa batfo so bim say what take polls be aba from Global Info Analytics and other sources ni nyina aba predict certain candidates say wono mo ebedi nkunim na ohra among the polls no one be a projected Kennedy Japan ba majority na no projected Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bawumia. I mean nim say also why hwehwemu bi wase a said the air corner saying na wuhu the picture by Saturday.
Well, me da na machia empanifo ajemrete na no pay yama obibia ache edaba insure program so me there in terms I think I released it about 2 weeks ago.
Okay.
And me use measurement skills measurement skills so na me share most unifier why na betimi akapati no abomu yiye because they may need Nkambomuno very well. Now, Yashe, near Betty so why most suitable, Brofumuno most suitable. Why not? Sabi, you see, the be no more pre. Now, Sadi Breno, it comes with some characters and some attitude that deeper occupies Sadi Breno, or yes, suitable for. And me share most suitable. And I'm share most popular. Say, Nina Baby, why not your tone no at Nequa? A beboa yen, the whole Semon Codoso, my yen, at the end, we looked at those three. Now, say, you share most popular no. Opening Kennedy, Enya 31.5%. Opening Brian, Enya 6.2%. Opening Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, Enya 59.0%. Opening Dr. Osayiwe Duchum, Enya 1.3%. And opening Kwabna Eje Japan, Esunya 1.3%. And you found the most popular, near the corner your tone or yemrea, and I say at the tomu, you been America cra. There's MPP delegates Nimu. Fakasiya no 59.0%. Ajuni yo muse Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and na ebetimi aboa o msa akwan so. Afi ye call most unifier nso a nia sabi o party ni nkabo mu ehia no obetimi edi enim ntem ama etimi abemu yi ama o nso a. Osha Openi Kennedy enya 24.0%. Now about opening Brian the Champo 16.8%. Now about opening Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia 49.2%. Now about opening Dr. Yao Educhum 0.9%. Opening Kwabna Japan 0.7%. And now one more Canada. Now at that point, now there were still a good number of undecided delegates. But who the undecided nuclear to China? On the unifier and so no, Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia and a practice when who said, Obetimi Aboamo. Now, I am most suitable. We are most suitable. No, Opening Kennedy, Japan, 31.9%. Opening Dr. Brian Echampong, 7.5%. Opening Dr. Mahmoud Bawumia, 57.2%. Dr. Osayiwe Duchum, 1.4%. Kwabna Eje Japan honorable 0.7%. Now, we are currently one more at the time now. We are undecided. Then Kwana Kakredi, I think 1.3% per nana. Undecided and now say we are undisclosed over that particular measure. And me conclusion now me draw here. any final prediction I'm here should be that Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA will get 57% minimum and then 62.9% maximum. And the arrival is based on Sanyema Miensa way because it's a delegate be, and it is a scientific assumption. The scientific assumption is that the delegate be na uhuni pakoro so no the most unifier with me man kabum no abaye, the most popular ye ton no ayemre, and then the most suitable position na ye pre ni pakodino ono na de name be to ho a or ye most suitable just the rest are suitable or as well, except that when suitability ni was so delegate crowd but you see the same person as most suitable, most popular, most unifier is likely to vote for that person as his representative. And only in so amede na me who say enwechi no so ebi aba pattern ya okeka kan apart from bakubi amehu a e deviate kakra e no chese
enti wo de no
em say ne akanyina so e to the line of a one-time victory for Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA.
Okay.
If the research is anything to go by, this scientific research are things that we can rely on. It gives us a feeling of near coastal system anymore. And yeah, now Saturday, and say Dr. Mahmoud BAWUMIA ebenya between 57 to 62.9% of the votes are delegates no ebe cast.
Right. 57 to 62. Right. Now, Odi and one share ethnicity, religion, ne other areas no. Ebi fin say a matter of concern. Otemenga.
Metonka ba asenti kakra.
Badaye, sisi. Sisi. Prof.
Yeah, metonka but as a wechi.
Obesa frel back na afi. Yahwe mi say line mu enhyeda enye papasa. Enti dear Professor Smart Sarpong, Senior Research Fellow KSCU, or no de na say all indicators na wahwehwe mu EDSC na name no de utimi ka nipa bom eni ade ni nyina no a wahwehwe no chere say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud BAWUMIA ewo nanim. I mean ono eni edikan nti wo se enye no nwanwa say 57 to 62% no de yade say BAWUMIA ebe pick up na ode lead the MPP presidential primaries nti ono no edia ode aba no but other sources meaning say global info analytics and so the aba and the predictions no so endemua between 56% de kwa kusi 67 no enti eno so endemua na utie omu nyina no a two same line say BAWUMIA. But Mamin go back na mintie doc on this one too. Prof Sarpong, Otemenga. Prof Otemenga.
Yeah.
Okay. Wow. Wow. Network no. Sure. But now the person bisa say ebi de osum ni baby ebia ubi free ni ade no de ethnicity religion ni ade no ehon so de wani hwe ho kakra favorite ne to say Prof. Okay, I think say lines no bad and pay to get him directly na or share other areas my because all the research na abano ohra majority now pointed to Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud BAWUMIA, and the areas are even na maybe san one de no enimuno so we share global info analytics womo a ubisa womo ensem ni nyina no ohamu abupen aduowotwe enum se omo de sabi baby will be free ethnicity ne hwan ne tribe no omo mfa nya asem na emu be 3% pe ene kire se wo mo de ho asem hia wo mo nti na kire se play role kese ewum na oba religion no so a wo hwe mu a wo mo a eso ehwe religion as important here wo mo de beto aba no dodo no an so kire se wo sumo bi wo mu no so ni mfaso wono mo de o mu nyina mu se o mo nhwe ene o mo de ato ena wo mo so a ba bia nipa no so efiri any ade no nso eka ho de toto religion no ho a kyerɛ sɛ omu nhyɛ based more on the religion and then the ethnicity no enti akoye nsɛm a I think say a project BAWUMIA on that grounds because no ne nsɛm a ne nam ase bebrebe but delegates no so o ma dwene ni saa bia ho kra ba me hwɛ se nya prof a prof what me nka biem
so
still anya ho prof okay I think the prof on Timin Kanti the conclusion in the prof say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud BAWUMIA pe only so ni survey away the research away no say Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud BAWUMIA and a lady entianye ne nwanwa say by Saturday Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud BAWUMIA ye be crowned as the winner for a year presidential primaries no global info analytics and so are predicted and the other polls are omunyina predicting in that direction. But my menya na yantwetwe enkomo mepe MPP fo nko a oye MPP ni card bearer whether a delegate or a party member active party member